Cello. So it would be about 180 card break, I believe that is. All teams paid for, good to go. Appreciate that. Invited or added quite a few new people to the group, so welcome if you're new to the group. Not going to waste too much time. We'll go ahead and get started. I have had some issues. The last break was fine, but I had an issue a couple nights ago where the comments were not loading live during the break. So if somebody wouldn't mind just dropping a comment so we could test it out. The first break tonight was fine. Hopefully I can see comments on this break as well. Always makes it a little more fun. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the pack information. Get the opportunity for the short printed blue fluorescent to 15. Of course, I got Genesis in here, and sometimes there's autos as well. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and get started. Good luck to everybody. I really love Mosaic packs. They just open so clean compared to some of the other stuff. All right, here we go. Super Bowl champ Mike Evans. We got Aaron Donald, Matthew Stafford, TJ Watt, Mosaic for the Steelers. Got Flea Flicker for the Vikings, Dalvin Cook, Kirk Cousins, Adam Thielen, and a debut Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Not too shabby. I do go back and sleeve and top load a lot of those rookies that were like debuts and stuff like that, the base cards and stuff. I just try to be a little choosy during the break. Save a little bit of time. Haven't seen any comments yet, so comments may not be working again. If that's the case, I'll go back and look at them after the break and try to say hello to anyone. George Kittle, Adrian Peterson, Cole Beasley, Andre Johnson. Got a Howie Long, old school for the Raiders, and a Jake Fromm rookie. Not too bad there for the Bills. Our first pink pack, we got old Tony Gonzalez, Marshawn Lynch, and a debut Henry Ruggs. That's not too bad. Our old Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook, Josh Allen, got a green Stephon Gilmore for the Patriots. Got game Kyler Murray insert for the Cardinals, and MVP's Tom Brady for the Patriots. It's like the Mecca card for the Patriots. If you get this card, you scored, because they really don't have a lot of other cards going on for them in the set. No rookies or anything. The old Tom Brady MVP's insert. Cam Chancellor, Jared Cook, Devontae Adams, Khalil Mack, Will to Win Jerry Rice. And a Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Regular old base rookie for the Chiefs. Alright, second pink pack. Cole Beasley, Mike Williams, and LaMichael Pirine for the Jets. Brian Dawkins, Devontae Parker, Leonard Fournette. We got a green MVPs Lamar Jackson for the Ravens. Will to Win Khalil Mack, and a Pro Bowl Deshaun Watson for the Texans. Steve Young. Oh, we have silver. Rob Gronkowski, Kareem Hunt, Julio Jones for the Falcons, and a Terry McLaurin silver for the Redskins. A rookie Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. First silver, old Terry McLaurin. Allen Robinson, Kirk Cousins, and a Brian Edwards rookie for the Raiders. Not a great card there, but at least it's a rookie, I guess. Deebo Samuel, John Riggins, old Patrick Mahomes, base card there. And Andre Johnson, green insert, green parallel. Got a touchdown masters Christian McCaffrey for the Panthers, and a debut Clyde Edwards-Helaire. So a couple nice Chiefs cards in there with the Mahomes and Clyde Edwards-Helaire. We got Jamal Adams, Cooper Kupp, DeAndre Hopkins, Terrell Davis. That card is a little sticky there. A nice got game Saquon Barkley, little green mosaic there. And Laviska Shenault Jr. rookie for the Jaguars. There we go. Wonder how Saquon and CMC will do when they get back in the league next year, or whenever they're planning on coming back from their injuries. Another Matthew Stafford, Sam Darnold, and Denzel Mims. So we got a couple Jets back to back. We got Mims and Pirine. Pinks for the Jets. eventually get that open there. Alright, old Randy Moss. A.J. Brown upside down. Leighton Vander Esch. Green Jason Taylor for the Dolphins. Emmitt Smith, touchdown masters. And a Hall of Fame, Troy Polamalu. 3 legends back to back to back there. Marshawn Lattimore. Charles Woodson. Lamar Jackson. Dick Butkus. Got game Julian Edelman for the Patriots. And hey, there we go. We're getting somewhere. We got a Tua rookie for the Dolphins. A little step in the right direction. Sorry if I showed that card. First pack that's ripped pretty badly. Andre Johnson. Old Terry Bradshaw for the Steelers. And a Hall of Fame John Elway. So a few retired players in that one. So the only thing that I've seen people say, and I would agree, is kind of in the downside for Mosaic is just all the retired guys. Some people like to see it, but for the most part, most people want to see some active players in this set. Taysom Hill, Josh Jacobs, John Brown. This card's going to be upside down, it looks like, coming up here. Not sure why. Ooh, a little J.K. Dobbins Mosaic. A nice one there for the Ravens. A John Elway, Terrell Davis, and Ed McCaffrey. Flea Flicker. And a Pro Bowl T.J. Watt. I don't know why that card was upside down, but it's right side up now. Alright, getting close to the halfway point. Looking for a couple more big quarterbacks, hopefully. Miles Sanders, Jalen Ramsey, Deshaun Watson, Charles Tillman, old school Dick Butkus for the Bears. And there we go. Got a Jalen Hurts rookie. It is just a base rookie, but better than some. Better than Jalen Reagor base. Alright, pink pack, and then we hit the halfway marker. Oh, nice Christian McCaffrey pink. Marshall Faulk, he was fun to watch. And a debut Clyde Edwards-Helaire pink for the Chiefs. So I will say, we've been breaking probably 13, 15 minutes here. I haven't seen any comments come through. I'm assuming it's probably just Facebook or my internet one not pulling them up. So if you've commented something in this video, I apologize. I'll go back and look at them after the break. I haven't seen anything come through. Not sure why that's about to fall, but sometimes those, we were doing a break the other day and they just randomly started popping up in the middle of the break, so I'm not sure. I've tried to look at different things on Facebook. It may be my internet more than what Facebook's doing, but anyways. Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Jarvis Landry. Hey, we have a rookie, DeAndre Swift. Green Mosaic for the Lions. Will to win Baker Mayfield, and a Hall of Fame Troy Aikman. I'm thinking about getting some, I would definitely get made fun of, but they have fingertip gloves. So it's like gloves for just the tips of your fingers. I thought about getting some of those as a joke, just to do one break with them. Get made fun of quite a bit and be done with it, but I decided otherwise. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Allstott, Matt Ryan. Oh, we have a silver rookie coming up. Cortland Sutton. Oh, his big old quarterback, James Morgan. Dang, the Jets are kind of lighting it up. They got two of their pink rookies, Mims and P. Ryan. They got a silver James Morgan. There's Antonio Gibson. That's not a bad one for the Redskins. Oh, James Morgan. I think I pulled more silver James Morgan than any other card, actually. I feel like I pulled one really recently. Nice Antonio Gibson. Probably didn't have much TV on him because they weren't the greatest team this year, but I feel like he's a pretty good player for the old Redskins. Actually, they probably had a lot of TV on them. I don't really know. So we're going to go through this again. I got some cards hung up in the corner there. Oh, there we go. All right, Julio Jones, Terry McLaurin, and a Pro Bowl Michael Thomas for the Saints. Poor Michael Thomas. Oh, he scored one touchdown this year. That was it. I don't know how many games he's out for injury, but I don't think him and Drew Brees are getting along too well. Anyways. All right, we got 5 Cellos left. Let's make them count. Adam Thielen, Bobby Wagner, Larry Fitzgerald, Allen Robinson is our green here for the Bears. Touchdown Masters AP for the Redskins, and a Pro Bowl Kenny Galladay for Detroit. There's a little Alvin Kamara, Josh Allen, John Elway, Earl Thomas. I have a Julio Jones green will to win for the Falcons. And C.J. Henderson, rookie for the Jaguars. Oh, 2 sleeves. Dick Butkus Pink, Carson Wentz, and a Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith for the Cowboys. Emmitt Smith card has been blowing up here lately. I think people are just running to the next big thing that hadn't been hit yet. I know Marvel action cards, or Marvel the movie, those cards from the early 90s have started going crazy in value. Guys like Emmitt Smith, Randy Moss. I'm sure Terrell Owens will be at some point. Or he may have already started taking off. I don't know. Bo Jackson cards. All right, we got Landon Collins, Le'Veon Bell, Philip Lindsay. Old Deion Sanders. There's another one that his cards are expensive now. Old school Joe Namath, and a Hall of Fame Jim Kelly. Deion Sanders highlights are actually pretty fun to watch. I wasn't around when he was actually playing, but well, I take it back. I wasn't old enough to watch when he was actually playing. Derwin James Jr., Jerome Bettis, Devin Singletary, Boomer Esiason. There's a decent card right there. A little Mosaic Will to Win of Aaron Rodgers and a Chase Young rookie. So nice cards back to back. Alright, could really use some Herbert, some Burrow, just some overall better parallels for some of these bigger rookie cards. Sorry I keep showing the card. I just it gets hung up in the corner sometimes. We got pink Lamar Jackson, Josh Allen for the Jaguars, and Isaiah Simmons, rookie for the Cardinals. Y'all might have already saw that though. Alright, 3 packs left. Marshall Faulk, Jerry Rice, Kevin King, Tyler Lockett green for the Seahawks. Got game Drew Lock and a debut Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. I'll move some of these cards over a little bit. There's a Tom Brady base card. Curtis Martin, David Montgomery, Mark Brunell. A nice shiny Mosaic got game of Nick Chubb and Devin Duvernay rookie for the Ravens. Old Kareem Hunt, Devin McCourty for the Patriots, and a pink debut DeAndre Swift for the Detroit Lions. Got a couple nice DeAndres so far. Warren Sapp, Cameron Jordan, Allen Robinson, Cole Beasley green for the Bills, touchdown masters of Eli Manning, and Hall of Fame Jerome Bettis. Got Marcus Mariota, Zach Ertz, Tony Gonzalez, Zeke Elliott. There we go. That's a nice looking card there. A green touchdown masters Tom Brady for the Buccaneers. And Anthony McFarland rookie for the Steelers. Pop that open so I get the card down in there. Oh my goodness. That little corner gets caught every time. I try to go a little bit slower, but every single time. There we go. Alright, Leonard Fournette, old DK Metcalf, and Antonio Gandy Golden for the Redskins. The Redskins got All 3 of the rookies. Got probably the most underperforming one in the pink, though. Trade it for a Chase Young would be nice. All right, we got 1 Cello left. Could really use a Herbert and a Burrow in here to make things right, or a little bit better at least. Just been pulling a lot of non-great player cards. Let's see what happens here. Yannick Ngakoue, Randall Cunningham, Gardner Minshew. We got a Jordan Love green debut for the Packers. Got game Jimmy G and a debut Joe Burrow. So we killed a couple birds there with 1 pack. I wouldn't say killed a couple birds, I guess. I don't think we quite pulled our value for those 2 teams, but glad we finally found a Burrow at least. Maybe we'll get lucky now with silver in here or something. Robert Woods. There we go. Drew Brees. Myles Garrett. Jordan Hicks. The sound of depression. Kyle Fuller, silver for the Bears. Hey, we did get a CD Lamb on the back, though. Not the worst thing that could happen there. If we could have gone Herbert silver and then a CD Lamb, or CD Lamb silver, then a Herbert base card, that would have been top notch, top notch. We didn't pull a John Morant all last break, so having a similar situation right now here with the old Herbie. We do have 1 pink pack to go. Leighton Vander Esch for the Cowboys. There's Alvin Kamara. And a debut A.J. Dillon for the Packers. The Packers actually did okay with color Jordan Love, color A.J. Dillon, Mosaic insert of Aaron Rodgers. Chargers were hot trash tonight. We'll do a quick recap here, go over some of these cards that top loaded. We got a debut pink A.J. Dillon, CD Lamb base card, Kyle Fuller silver, Joe Burrow debut, Jordan Love green debut, Antonio Gandy golden pink, green touchdown masters of Tom Brady, DeAndre Swift pink debut, got game mosaic of Nick Chubb, Isaiah Simmons pink, Chase Young base, will to win Aaron Rodgers mosaic, Deion Sanders mosaic, pink Hall of Fame Emmitt Smith, will to win Julio Jones green, Michael Thomas Pro Bowl pink, Antonio Gibson base rookie there. And we also have the old James Morgan silver, DeAndre Swift green, debut pink Clyde Edwards-Helaire, Jalen Hurts base, J.K. Dobbins mosaic, Tua base rookie, Denzel Mims pink, got game green of Saquon Barkley, Brian Edwards pink, Terry McLaurin silver, Lamar Jackson green MVPs, Michael P. Ryan pink, Clyde Edwards-Helaire rookie there, MVP's Tom Brady for the Patriots. So we got a few Tom Brady cards tonight. Henry Ruggs pink debut, Jake Fromm rookie, and a TJ Watt mosaic. If we could have snagged a Herbert of some sort, it wouldn't have been too bad of a break. We didn't pull an autograph, a Genesis, or a super short print, which is kind of random. Usually we open one of these Cello boxes, we find one of those 3. It's usually a Genesis, but not this evening. like I said, I hadn't seen a comment come through all break. I saw a lot of notifications that people were watching. So I'm sure somebody commented something, and I apologize I wasn't able to see those. I might try to, I don't want to reset too much or try to do too much and mess everything up, but I might fiddle with some settings and see if it allows comments to pop up. Because it did for the break 5 minutes ago, but it didn't for this break, so I'm not sure what the deal is there. But anyways, if you guys need something, just shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. Otherwise, I'm going to hop off here. Y'all take it easy. Have a good work week. We'll see you later.